let's create the pattern for this design. Alright, let's start by drawing a straight line that's going to be our guide. Now from that line, I'm going to measure 2.5 inches in width and 5 inches in length. Once you've marked that out, connect your points with straight lines to form a neat rectangle. Now go ahead and cut that shape out. That's your basic pattern. Now you can leave it just like this if you want a simple straight edge design, but I want mine to have a round edge. So here's what I did. I picked up the cover of a plastic bottle, placed it on one end of my rectangle, and used it to carve out a smooth curve. After tracing that, I cut it out carefully and then used the rough sandpaper to smoothen the edges. This makes the pattern clean and professional, and that's it. Your pattern is ready. Now that our upper is ready, the next step is to mark it on your leather. So go ahead and place your pattern on your leather, trace it around carefully, and then cut it out. Next, you need your lining leather. I'll be using this black lining for this design. Place your cut out upper pieces on top of the lining leather and mark the areas where you'll be applying gum. Apply gum both on the upper and on the lining leather and wait for it to dry. Once it's dry, gently place them together, making sure the edges align perfectly. Then cut out the shape neatly. Now it's time to create the long rope for this design. For that, I'll be using 4 centimeters in width and the length of my ruler. I'm using a brown leather that matches the striped upper. Go ahead and mark out the measurement on your leather, cut it out, apply gum, and then place the two pieces together just like I'm doing. And that's it. Your upper and your rope patterns are ready. The next step is to place it on your shoe.